Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel, Life with Marianne and Joe. In today's quick little video, I'm going to show you my completed living room for spring Easter 2022 and moving on to the next room after this. Okay, I hope you enjoy it. Please leave me a comment and a thumbs up is always greatly appreciated. Okay, stay tuned. All right, so here is the living room for spring Easter. It's my carrot garden, I guess that's what I'm going to call it. So I added, tiny elements of garden and carrots, and I made a little bit of whimsy with the bunnies, which I hadn't planned to use this year, but if you saw my past videos, once I saw all the work I did on my carrots from last year, I decided, hey, I might as well do it again. So what did I do in here quickly? I'll let you know. Here in the curio cabinet, all I did down here was I have this big crystal bowl and I put a napkin in there with some tiny flowers and with little Easter eggs, and I filled it with some eggs that I had painted and a bird sitting in the middle of it. And then basically I didn't do anything else in the curio cabinet except up on the top. What I did was I put a plant, just coming out, and it has that purplish color that I was looking for, and in the jar in the back I put those branches that have the tiny buds on them, which obviously are reminiscent of spring. Now we had the white window treatments here, but I turned them out into these off-white colors, which are very similar to the walls. I wanted them to kind of blend in and to just look very light and airy. And as well with the pillows, I chose yellow and green stripes and a touch of that violet, which I have in the room right there, and a lime green throw. Here on the side table, I took a little artistic license here, and I used plastic eggs and I cracked them and made them look like these tulips are just hatching out of them, and I added some green rug and some moss in there and some rocks for my three elements that are present in this little vignette right here. And that was it. I'm keeping it really simple because I want that to be the star on this table. My mantle is layers of flowers and whimsy with carrots. As you can see here, I have celery colored flowers. I have I think someone told me these are wisteria, this purplish color. I have pink and lilac tulips. I have white roses with just a slight touch of pink in them. And I also have some other purplish flowers, as well as the carrots that I made out of yarn last year. My mother-in-law's antique plates with the pink flowers in them as well. I have the canisters that I made here with some eggs which have the same colors as Mr. and Mrs. Rabbit, which are on the mantle as well. So here is a look at the mantle. And that's really springy, and that makes me happy when I look at it. And down on the bottom, I have my two giant carrots with the long wormy bunnies, and they are flanking each side, and a basket in the middle with some celery flowers and some more carrots. Over on this side table, again, I just have a tiny little arrangement with some greenery for spring and some tiny carrots that I actually made from little pine cones. I just wrapped them with the yarn. Again, the green and the yellow pillows, just to give a sense of airiness and lightness to the room. And further garden-inspired tablescape here on the coffee table. I have a little tin container there with those purple flowers in them, and then some more carrots. Again, these are pine cones that I just wrapped with the yarn quickly, and a trowel on a piece of wood right there, and then the garden box that I made. If you saw that video, I saw a box similar to this in Christmas tree shops, and I made this box so that it looks like the carrots are popping up out of the box, and I finished it off with a watering can on this table. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. See you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.